The 607 Challenger is a high-performance vacuum pump and requires high-quality components. It is critical that adequately sized shutoffs and hoses be used. Components larger than recommended can be used, but never use components smaller than recommended. We recommend an 8-inch cage and a 6-inch stainless steel ball, which is standard on all of our NVE primary and secondary shutoffs. Use a 3-inch or larger hose to plumb your system. We recommend a hose that can withstand high temperatures. A properly adjusted pressure relief valve and vacuum relief valves should be incorporated in the system between the secondary shutoff and the pump. Making the component serviceable is a very important aspect of installation. The truck operators must be able to access all system components for service. Pump installation is very important. The pump should be mounted on the driver's side of the truck. Jack the pump on its mounting bracket up to the frame. Locate and drill holes into the frame. Secure the mounting bracket to the frame with 6 or more 3/4 inch hardened bolts, grade 5 or better. More bolts may be needed when mounting larger pumps and blowers. The pump drive is also a crucial part of the installation. The vacuum pumps are available in either rotation. However, they can only be turned in one direction at installation. Make certain the pump is turning in the proper direction. This can be changed by flipping the gearbox to the opposite output shaft. Run a balanced drive shaft from the power takeoff to the gearbox input shaft. Do not exceed the drive shaft manufacturer's recommended maximum angle. The alignment of the couplers and the PTO to the pump is critical to smooth operation. The 607 Challenger vacuum pump is recommended operating range is 1,000 to 1,500 RPM. Select a power takeoff that will allow the pump to spin at a low to mid RPM range while the truck is at idle, and will allow the operator full range of recommended RPM but not exceeding the maximum RPM range. If only one speed is available, the pump speed should be set at the middle of the RPM range. We do not recommend the use of very high ratio PTO where the pump is running at full RPM while the truck is in idle. Make certain the pump drive has adequate power transmission capabilities. Make certain that the pump is turning fast enough so that the vanes do not chatter in the housing. When you choose Challenger, we support your decision with training and materials for you and your staff. A sales manual has been developed for all of our distributors to give you a better understanding of our complete product line. We have designed a setup and operation guide for our Challenger pumps. We have an installation checklist and warranty validation form for the installers, and video training for the operators in the field. It is the responsibility of the final assembler to thoroughly test the vacuum system and the components supplied by NVE prior to delivery of the final product to the end user. To validate the product warranty, this form must be completed, signed, and dated by the qualified installation technician and returned to NVE via fax or email in order for the warranty to be valid. When you choose Challenger, you can be confident that all the components are appropriately sized and specifically fabricated for your system, and that you have a team of engineers and sales technicians capable of servicing all aspects of your pumping system needs. Should the need arise, you have the opportunity to talk directly to the individuals who designed and produced your equipment. For more information on sales, service, support, and training, contact your NVE sales representative or visit us online at natvac.com. Thank you for choosing NVE's Challenger Series vacuum pumps.